So this is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and I'm here with Bob in Davao, and we're going over to Samal Island to go check out some of the beaches. And Bob's going to be our guide.
200 pesos.
So 200 pesos, about $4.
Hello, ma'am. Pila ka na eh? Thank you. 200 pesos, $4. Get you to the ferry.
We just sit here the whole way, Bobby?
Pretty much, man. We just sit here until we reach paradise.
15 minutes?
Yeah, 15 or less.
Alright, now we've arrived in Samal Island.
Garden Island of Samal. Binka.
So we just went up the mountain here. Now we're coming back down. And we're headed to a beach called what?
Canibad Beach. Secret paradise at Canibad. Very beautiful beach. We're gonna start this by walking down to the beach this way.
All right. Wow. Look at this descent. Is this your favorite beach on Samal Island?
One of my favorite beaches on Samal Island. It's a very beautiful place if you are, you know, not handicapped, because I think handicap is very difficult to get down to. They do have a
So this is a resort here?
This is a resort. They do have food, nice little restaurant food, which is mainly Filipino food, reasonable prices, accommodations overnight. Very low cost. They don't charge like big entrance fees over here to use the beach. The beach is, I think, typically free.
Wow. Interesting little community here. No one's even here.
This is the restaurant area in town. It's amazing. It's a hidden gem. Canibad.
Yeah.
Secret paradise, as it's called. It is a secret.
Lechon.
Lechon.
I want to try some lechon.
I know. What is your guys' specialty? Food specialty?
Garlic chicken.
Garlic chicken?
Yes. You can come here.
Okay, we come there.
You want to see that first?
We're gonna check out the beach.
Okay.
And we come and get a beer and garlic chicken from you. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Cool. Look at this place.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
To pay our parking fee.
Oh, you will be in trans only later on to stay here?
No, we're just doing a vlog of the beach, and then, you know, eating lunch, and then,
Okay.
yeah, we can't spend overnight. My wife, goodbye.
You cannot stay overnight?
I wish. My wife would.
Okay. I
Um,
have my business card here.
Oh, nice.
How much is it to stay one night here?
It's depend upon us with the room.
Oh, okay.
We have the good for two here with aircon and comfort room, 3,100.
3,100?
And we have the flyers for room rate.
Okay.
I will give you. Beaches, I think. Thank you, sir.
Can you show us room for YouTube?
Yes. Good photo only.
Yes. You. So they're gonna show us some of their rooms that they have, and like she was saying, a minimum of 4 you could even do for 1,900. You do how much is 2,400 pesos, Bobby?
2,400 is $48.
48 bucks.
Beautiful.
Okay. A fan. Aircon. Wow. Very nice.
Nice bathroom, comfort room. Oh wow, this. Pretty good size.
Man. Let's go check out this beach. Thank you, ma'am.
So how much for the cottages?
800?
And the front, 450.
450.
Detour.
Oh, day tour.
Oh, day tour.
Are these good for overnight? These?
Wow, you could stay in a cottage for 400 and 800.
So these are $24 US to be on the beach. The overnight cottage.
How much, Bobby?
$24 US for overnight cottage. These ones are day tour, but the ones behind it, like that one right here. This is an overnight cottage, and this is $24
24 bucks.
on this beach.
Mm-hmm.
And they call it
Thank you.
Thank you. They walking over here?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Wow. Oh man. Oh man. Mindanao.
The one thing about this beach compared to a lot of beaches,
Yeah.
check this out. This sand quality. It's like powdered sugar.
Yep.
Amazing.
This is all you really need is to just come to this beach. I mean, this is your island getaway. You fishing, sir? Fishing?
No.
No fishing?
Yeah.
Oh, look how clear the water is, too. Nice water temperature. Oh, it just started to rain on us. Yeah, papaya tree there. Let's go up here and see what's up with this beer and garlic chicken. All right. Such a secret beach. There's no one here. Where's everybody? Man, I really recommend this place for someone who is a couple looking for a retreat and really an unknown place. I mean, think about the name, Secret Paradise Resort. Let's see. Hello, sir. He's asleep, but I want to wake him up. Let's see here. How can I do this without pissing off someone? Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, ma'am. We've come back for your world famous chicken. Okay. Yes, ma'am. I'll be waiting. No rush. Oh man, it is beautiful. This is unbelievable. I'm gonna have to come back here and stay the night sometime. Bob, you should bring your family here at least once a year, huh?
For sure. I recommend anyone that lives in Davao or even in the surrounding areas to come here at least once a year, if not once every other month.
I mean, or just keep it a secret and have it to yourself. Hello, sir. Wow, look at this, guys.
Garlic chicken, guys.
All
the garlic on it.
That smells unbelievable.
Ah,
Dude.
this is good.
And we're getting another San Miguel.
And the prices?
But that's like for $2.40, that's like $5.
Yeah, $5.
Dude, $5.
5 pieces of chicken.
If they even knew how good that smelled,
Oh my gosh.
I mean, that's...
Amazing.
Wow.
Some chili.
Oh,
Yes, please. She's great. That lady is good. And she cooked all this.
The best. So much flavor in the garlic with the fried. It tastes like they've done like a marination in butter and garlic. Oh. So was it, what are the ingredients used in this?
That is just butter, garlic, fried garlic, and seasoning.
Nice. So I was correct. Butter, garlic, seasoning, crunchy, yet kind of a sweetness from the butter that you get in Philippines. And a garlic taste that's just overwhelmingly amazing.
I know what you're saying.
Something like.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome back. We have pancit guisado here, and this is a long rice noodle. What they've given us for condiments here is you have suka, which is vinegar. You have pollo, which is soy sauce. And you have catsup, which is ketchup, but it's banana ketchup. Crazy thing in Philippines is we have a ketchup. It's not made with tomatoes. It's made with banana. It's kind of a more runnier version. It's sweet. It's got like a nice tang to it, but it's made with banana ketchup. So some people in Philippines, they like to dip their chicken in banana ketchup. Usually they'll eat rice with banana ketchup, hot dogs, different things. But here, it's not called ketchup, it's called catsup, like cat. It's very funny, with a K.
Nice.
So right here we have calamansi. Calamansi is a small lime kind of thing, very small. A little bit sweeter, but they make lemonade, calamansi juice out of it. They call it lemonade. And we also, in Philippines, we have what they call sili. This is, in Hawaii we call it the Hawaiian chili pepper, but here they call it sili, which is chili.
Would you eat that?
Would I eat it raw? This is unreal hot. This is...
I dare you to do it for the camera. I thought you were going to do it. It's already too much pain. Don't do it.
Oi. So what you do is you take your little tray and you put the sili in it. You squeeze your calamansi like this. Take the suka, put that in, a few drops of that. Your toyo, which is your soy sauce. A little more of that than anything, and you let it swim in the toyo. The toyo is probably the most of anything you use in it. Then what you do is you break it up like this. You can see this. And here in Philippines, most of the time when you're eating barbecue, if you're eating rice, you use the toyo, suka, chili, and calamansi with your rice. You can also use it, say, on the chicken like this. You can put it on your noodles, mainly rice or barbecue. And it gives it a little bit of a more hot, spicy, caliente. Or as how we say it in Philippines, halang.
Now the rain is coming.
Very, very low cost to enjoy paradise.
It's $24 a night.
$24 a night, no entrance fees for the beach.
This is on the now.
So how do we get down to here? We can go.
Kaputian District. From Piña Plata here, the road is here.
Oh, so we have to backtrack
Yeah,
all the way over.
here.
There's no road down here.
Go back there, and then.
It's called Davao Oriental.
Yeah, I think the peninsula is sticking out. Davao Oriental.
Monty.
Mati. Yeah. Beautiful beach in Mati. Watch it on our next episode. Or one of our next episodes.
Yeah, is that where we're going next? Is Monty?
Dahican Beach.
Dahican Beach. Is it as amazing as this one?
Very amazing, yes.
Nice.